Welcome to my channel. So in last section I was discussing about the
Artlist.io.
types of the web pages. This is important for the entry point of the question. How many types of the web pages is there? So already I told you in last video, three types of the web pages. That is the static web page and dynamic web pages, server side
Music
web
licensing
pages. So
reimagined.
already I will discuss these static pages. So in this each page you have this header menu, header bar. This is the header bar and menu bar. So this is the drop down bars, menu bars. So and also there is the sidebar and this is the image bar. So and also here they finally give the footer bar. This is about the this type
Artlist.io.
of the every page in static way, every static page of every page have the different types of the parts is there. So that is the type of the that is the property of the static web page. So on the dynamic pages, for example, I will show
Music
you.
licensing reimagined.
Um, Suppose you don't need so suppose Amazon. So we can take the shopping mall sites, dynamic web page sites. So this is the dynamic web pages. So see here the dynamically we can add
Artlist.io.
whatever the shopping we can add the cart in this cart which is you are required for your needs of the purchasing the things which is the accessories you have need that type of the all you have add in this cart. So so this is the dynamic page.
Music
So in this
licensing
is a page also
reimagined.
a header bar and menu bar and sidebars. Like this is slides bar, slides. So the footer bars, all things every page happen. So that this is the types of the pages. Okay, first of all, let's go for the already in this video we will discuss about the tags. So what is the tags? Already I told you this is the HTML tag and header tag, meta tag, title
Artlist.io.
tag. So body tag. These are all tags. Which purpose utilize it? I will show you practically. So here when I so there are the tags is the two types of the tags is there in the
Artlist.io.
HTML. Tags consists of the two types of the tags. So that is the container tags and empty tags. Okay, or in this container tags we are called the pair tags and also single tags. So in this the container tags means pair tags. Pair tags means
Music
here I will show
licensing
you.
reimagined.
This is the pair tag. So I will explain here also. This is the so the pair tags here in this container we are called the pair tags or container tags. Container tags or pair tags we are called. So this is the first one and this is second
Music
one is the
licensing reimagined.
empty tags. So these two tags we will discuss about each and every tag. So first of all in this the container tags or pair tags means for example this is the HTML tag. This is the HTML tags. Why does we are called this pair tags or container tags we are called? So I will explain you. HTML. This is the HTML. Pair tags means this is the starting tag is there and the ending tag. What is the difference between the starting tag and the ending tag? Just starting tag there is no slash
Music
inside
licensing
the arrow keys.
reimagined.
What is the tags? The first of all we discussed what is the tag. Tag is the in the between the brackets must keep the put, put the predefined the some words. So that is the so between the inside of the less than and greater than inside some we can put the some words. So this is called the tag. And so between the in this starting this is our first of all
Artlist.io.
we are called this in starting of this tag, so that's why the starting tag. And this tag is called the ending of the call, so that's why we are called the end tag. So but difference is the forward slash between these two tags.
Artlist.io.
So finally these tags we are this all tags coming under the scripting language. So that's why here the why does this is the already
Music
told you
licensing
this is the opening
reimagined.
tag and closing tag already told you in this pay container and pay tags. So what is the mean container are pay tags. Pay tag means starting tag and ending tag is there, so two tags is there, so that's why we are called the pay tag. So and also the container, another meaning container means in HTML code container is the container means every you can
Artlist.io.
so all the remaining tags in, only provide kept in inside of the in this HTML tag. So why does it is happen? So because of it is the look like it is the parental tag of this
Music
script. So it is
licensing
the so that's
reimagined.
why we are called the container tag. మన container tag అని ఎందుకు పిలుస్తామంటే పేరెంట్స్ పేరెంట్ ట్యాగ్ లాగా అంటే చైల్డ్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ దీని లోపల ఇన్సైడ్ ఏదైతే ఉన్నాయో హెడర్ సెక్షన్ నుంచి బాడీ సెక్షన్ వరకు ఇదంతా దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ ద చైల్డ్ ట్యాగ్స్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లుక్ లైక్ యాజ్ HTML tag is a look like as a container tag. Okay, so
Artlist.io.
so so that is the difference of the container and pair tags. So both and also we are called this starting tag and the starting tag and the ending tag, and also we are called the opening tag and
Music licensing reimagined.
closing tag, opening tag and closing tag. So like that way you can call that tags. So first of all so that is the container tags or pay tags. And next tag another one another one. How many HTML tags is there? HTML two types tags. So there is a container already we discussed it, and empty tags. Empty tags means here the some of the HTML elements have the no content. So like such as I will show you opening tags only. So that is the break tag. So the
Artlist.io.
sorry, it's capital letter. And this is the break tag. We can write these tags also here like this. So we can write the different type of ways we can define these
Music
tags.
licensing
And
reimagined.
horizontal tag and image tags. These all things it comes under the empty tags. So you should properly understand what is the tag, how many types of the tags, two tags, container tags, array tag. So that is another type is the empty tags. Empty tags only. What is the difference? Empty means here I will show you. So break tag how it is useful as, and the horizontal tag how it is useful as. I will explain each and every tag. Okay, so there is no ending tags in this empty tags, but here container tags this is the container tags. Okay, this is the container tags and example, and this is the These all things, break and the horizontal tag, image tags all comes under the empty tags. So the empty tags has no ending tags, no ending tags. That's why we are called the empty tags. Okay, so that we are all on the opening tag also. This type of. So what is the tag? These elements are all called the empty. This empty. So empty is the do not have the empty tags. Already I told you. So okay, what is the attribute? I will explain after that, completing this all the tags. So first of all, we discussed the element. Element means so here the title tag is there now. So this title tag, between the some content is there, some character, some word is there. So that content between the container tag, not only container, between the pair tags, inside somehow we can put some text. So that entire we call the element. Entire we call this is the element. Okay, so this is a first tag, starting tag means opening tag. So here title tag, and ending tag is the title tag, and between this some content is there. So that entire this statement we are called the what we are called the element. So inside tags some attributes is there. So that is the property of this tag. So this is the property name and this is the property value. So these all are called the attribute. So inside of the tag, starting tag, we are kept this type of the properties. That entire this tag this tag we are called the attribute of the tag. So like that way. So here we are considering these all things. So this finally we are give the statement we are called the element. This is the element. Do you understand? This is the so this is the tags, and which is the container tags. This HTML also acting as container or pair. So this address section also look like that, and here title tag is the same pair tags. So the empty tags already I told you, break tag, HR tag. So this is the different types of the tags is there. So after that, so we are find the some opening tags already I told you here. So the basic basically we are web pages already discussed. So the primarily we already I will show the practical each and everything. So first of all I am closing these things. So after saving, what will happen? So let's see here. So I am already I was open. Okay, already I was created in Notepad. So but here same this using to already I was created this using the HTML node editor, notepad editor, and here so you can use only not only notepad and Visual Studio you can utilize, so whatever, but here I was opened Visual Studio about this code, so that's why same here showing. So let's go open this browser, basic HTML file browser. What results it will come? So here, which is the in header section, the which is the part of the title tag of inside of the title tag, which is the name is there. That name visible in this main. So here, this is the Apple phone 13. This is the title name. So title name is the coming here in this tab bar. Every tab bar name appear here whenever you can choose this tab.
Artlist.io.
So that is the